Great corporations are rarely born giants. They begin as small, disciplined ideas executed with consistency. Start small, scale smart, and let excellence compound until your impact is impossible to ignore. Few institutions embody this philosophy more profoundly than the office of the government spokesperson. What began as a modest office with only 3 individuals has, in just 2 years, evolved into a central pillar of government communication, bridging the gap between leadership and citizens, informing the nation, managing crises, shaping narratives, and ensuring that government remains connected to the people it serves. This is the story of growth. This is the story of innovation. This is the story of service. This is OGS at 2. In October 2023, the Kenya Kwanza administration restructured government communication through Executive Order No. 2 of 2023, establishing the office of the government spokesperson. The mandate was clear: to coordinate, manage, and communicate government policies, programs, and positions while enhancing communication between ministries, state departments, agencies, the media, and the public. The beginning was humble: 3 individuals, a modest office, a bold vision. Yet from those modest beginnings emerged an institution dedicated to ensuring that every Kenyan has access to accurate, timely, and reliable government information. Today, the office operates through 6 active departments: mainstream media, new media and artificial intelligence, production, programs and partnerships, administration, and the communication research, planning, and development department. At the helm stands government spokesperson Dr. Isaac Mwaura, supported by deputy government spokespersons Mr. Gabriel Muthuma and Ms. Monaisha Chizuga. Together, they built a communication center guided by transparency, accountability, and public trust. Mr. Gabriel Muthuma leads the new media and artificial intelligence department, driving digital transformation and ensuring government communication reaches citizens across online platforms. Ms. Monaisha Chizuga, a seasoned journalist, spearheads mainstream media engagement, strengthening relationships with television, radio, and print media while ensuring government information is communicated professionally and effectively. From the outset, the leadership understood a fundamental truth: communication is not merely about speaking, it is about building trust. On October 5, 2023, the office held its first official press briefing alongside the Education Cabinet Secretary Ezekiel Machogu at Jogo House. The occasion marked the unveiling of the new university funding model and signaled the arrival of a new era in government communication. Shortly afterward, Dr. Isaac Mwaura made his first major media appearance during an interview with Trevor Ombija on Citizen TV View. He explained the role of the office and clarified how it would work alongside other communication entities within government to provide accurate and coordinated information to Kenyans. A significant milestone followed when former government spokesperson Colonel Retired Cyrus Oguna formally handed over the office at Teleposta Towers. The transition symbolized continuity, renewal, and the beginning of a new chapter in public communication. On October 19, 2023, President William Ruto officially proclaimed Dr. Isaac Mwaura as Kenya's 5th government spokesperson at State House, Nairobi. The journey had officially begun. As the office expanded, it invested in systems, structures, and people. On November 2, 2023, representatives of the office participated in the first Cabinet Communication Committee meeting, helping establish a coordinated government communication framework. The office also participated in cabinet retreats, strategic planning sessions, and regular intergovernmental coordination forums aimed at strengthening message consistency across governments. Internally, a culture of discipline and collaboration took shape. Weekly departmental meetings became part of the institution's rhythm. Technical reviews, management sessions, production meetings, narrative planning, and communication strategy discussions ensure that every department remained aligned with the office's mission. Every Wednesday, staff gathered for fellowship, reflection, and prayer. On the third Wednesday of each month, Inspirational Wednesdays brought together staff, invited preachers, and motivational speakers to discuss leadership, productivity, professionalism, and the better plan. These gatherings strengthened not only institutional performance, but also team cohesion and morale. In January 2024, the Ministry of Public Service and Delivery launched a 34-day nationwide roadshow showcasing 1 year of achievements under the Kenya Kwanza administration. The Office of the Government Spokesperson played a central role in documenting, communicating, and amplifying these engagements. Across sectors such as healthcare, education, agriculture, infrastructure, housing, and digital transformation, ministries presented progress directly to citizens. The office captured these milestones and helped lay the foundation for the Better Plan Tracker, a platform designed to monitor and communicate government progress transparently. The commitment to public engagement did not stop there. Through 12 county tours and numerous town hall meetings, Dr. Maure and his team traveled across the country engaging citizens directly. From Narok and Kajiado to Mombasa, Kwale, Murang'a, Kirinyaga, Homa Bay, Kakamega, Busia, Bungoma, Vihiga, and Kitui, the office created spaces where government could listen as much as it spoke. These engagements highlighted key government programs while giving wananchi an opportunity to voice concerns, ask questions, and contribute to national conversations. As public interest grew, so did the office's media presence. Through over 100 television appearances on local, regional, and international stations, the office extended its reach far beyond Nairobi. Audiences engaged with government messages through Citizen TV, NTV, KTN, BBC, Al Jazeera, and many other platforms. Radio remained equally important. The office participated in over 200 radio talk shows across national and vernacular stations, ensuring information reached communities in their preferred languages. Print media also played a significant role. A total of 153 articles appeared across publications such as MyGov and The Star, covering topics ranging from healthcare and housing to energy, agriculture, youth empowerment, and the blue economy, and many others. These engagements were not merely reactive. They were strategic opportunities to explain policy, addressing misinformation, and strengthen public understanding. As the office matured, one activity became the heartbeat of its communication strategy: the weekly press briefing. Every week, the office provided updates on government achievements, ongoing programs, policy reforms, and national developments. To date, 227 press statements have been issued. The result was a communication culture built on consistency, transparency, and accountability. For OGS, those moments came quickly. When devastating El Niño rains struck Kenya between October and December 2023, causing floods and mudslides across multiple regions, the office worked closely with the Ministry of Interior, county governments, and the Kenya Red Cross to provide timely information and coordinate communication efforts. In Embakasi, following the tragic Mradi fire incident, OGS issued 6 press statements, ensuring accurate information reached the public while supporting emergency response efforts. During the devastating floods of 2024, the office provided continuous updates on evacuations, casualties, relief efforts, and government interventions. When Gen Z protests erupted across the country in response to the Finance Bill 2024, the office intensified digital communication efforts, producing explainer videos, infographics, and online content aimed at clarifying government positions and addressing misinformation. In November 2025, Following the deadly landslide in Elgeyo Marakwet, OGS issued 12 press statements and coordinated communication around rescue operations, relief efforts, and recovery measures. Throughout every crisis, the office demonstrated that communication is not merely about relaying information. It is about preserving truth. It is about preserving trust, protecting lives, and maintaining national stability. Recognizing the changing media landscape, the office embraced innovation. Over 2 years, more than 200 digital campaigns generated over 1.2 billion impressions and 8.2 million engagements. The office produced 147 GOK Today headlines, over 50 weekly bulletin designs, more than 200 social media reels, 6 explainer videos, 8 public service announcements commonly known as PSAs, more than 1,000 infographics, 24 documentaries, 100 live streams, 153 published articles. The office also launched the GOK Daily News Brief, commonly known as Gardenib, producing 153 editions that enhanced situational awareness across government. Another milestone was the Semana Spokes Bunganagava podcast, which airs on KBC TV and provides a platform for cabinet secretaries, principal secretaries, CEOs, and senior government officials to engage directly with its citizens. The office further expanded its reach through podcast appearances, including Safari PR, Jeff Korea podcast, and the Ikonini podcasts. No institution succeeds alone. The office cultivated strategic partnerships that strengthened its ability to communicate effectively. Through collaboration with Konrad Adenauer Stiftung, the office received support in capacity building, strategic communication, and inclusivity initiatives. Partnerships with the Ministry of ICT and the Digital Economy strengthened communications infrastructure and policy coordination. Collaboration with Kenya News Agency, MyGov, and KBC ensured government information reached citizens efficiently and reliably. One notable outcome was the successful convening of principal secretaries to advance the vision of one coordinated government voice. The office remains committed to ensuring no Kenyan is left behind through a dedicated disability unit, sign language interpretation, Braille services, and targeted advocacy initiatives. OGS has championed inclusive communication. The office supported key disability programs and celebrated important milestones, including International Albinism Awareness Day, International Dwarfism Day, and the International Day of Persons with Disabilities. Among its notable achievements was successfully lobbying for 20 million Kenyan shillings to support Thika School for the Blind, improving transportation and accessibility for learners. Beyond Kenya's borders, the office carried the country's voice to international platforms. Dr. Isaac Mwaura participated in global engagements in Geneva, New York, Dubai, and Botswana, advancing conversations on governance, strategic communication, disability inclusion, and leadership. Deputy Government Spokesperson Ms. Monesha Chizoga participated in labor mobility engagements in Canada, aimed at expanding employment opportunities for Kenyan youth. These missions strengthened Kenya's international partnerships while showcasing the country's progress and priorities. These missions strengthened Kenya's international partnerships while showcasing the country's progress and priorities. Behind every successful institution are dedicated people. The office invested heavily in staff welfare and capacity building through retreats, workshops, and training programs. A 9-day induction retreat in Mombasa and a productivity improvement workshop in 2025 strengthened teamwork, professionalism, and institutional culture. The office also fostered a supportive work environment by celebrating staff milestones, supporting families, recognizing achievements, and standing together during moments of loss. Mentorship remains equally important. Since 2023, the office has hosted over 15 interns from the Public Service Commission while providing practical training opportunities for attaches and young professionals. The office undertook several unique projects that demonstrated its commitment to innovation and public engagement. One notable example was the Kwanza Technopolis Media Tour, where journalists and stakeholders explored Kenya's flagship Smart City project and witnessed firsthand the country's technological ambitions. The office also produced 19 comprehensive reports documenting county tours, crisis responses, inclusion programs, national celebrations, and strategic communication initiatives. National celebrations including Madaraka Day, Mashujaa Day, Jamhuri Day, Mazingira Day, and the devolution conferences provided opportunities to communicate government priorities through documentaries, special bulletins, and digital campaigns. One of the office's flagship programs is the Uzalendo Initiative. Focused on promoting patriotism among young Kenyans, the initiative combines education, environmental conservation, community service, and civic engagement. Through tree planting exercises, young forums, and public awareness campaigns, the initiative encourages citizens to embrace their role in nation building. Because patriotism is not simply about pride, it is about participation, it is about responsibility, and it is about believing in the future of Kenya. From 3 individuals in a modest office to a national institution influencing public discourse, the Office of the Government Spokesperson has transformed the way government communicates. Through media engagement, crisis response, digital innovation, inclusivity, partnerships, mentorship, and public participation, the office has built a reputation founded on trust and service. Under the leadership of government spokesperson Dr. Isaac Mwaura, together with his deputy government spokespersons Mr. Gabriel Muthuma and Ms. Monesha Chizuga, the institution continues to demonstrate that effective government communication is not accidental. It is built through discipline, it is sustained through consistency, and it succeeds through service. Because when government communicates clearly, citizens engage confidently. When citizens engage confidently, democracy grows stronger. And after 2 remarkable years, one thing is clear. This is more than the story of an office. This is a story of a government finding its voice and a nation listening. And true to it, this is OGS at 2.